Imagine a home theater experience that scales to you. Maybe you want to curl up on the couch with your friends, your family, and enjoy a beautiful 140-inch 4K picture and watch a movie. Or maybe you want to shrink it down a little bit. Take that screen and move it downstairs and watch a football game so you don't bother your family upstairs. Ordinarily, that dream would imagine buying 2 gigantic television sets. Not so anymore. That dream is a reality, and a very affordable one, thanks to the LG HU70LA 4K UHD LED Smart Home Theater Cinebeam Projector. So with that, you're getting all the awesome stuff you expect from LG. You're getting WebOS. You're getting the ThinQ AI that lets you talk to your Magic Wand remote. All the benefits of Google Assistant built right in. And for the picture, you're getting all the amazing picture that you expect from LG. 4K, HDR10, brightness that'll go to 1500 lumens. And also you're getting amazing color accuracy thanks to the wheelless LED technology. So greens look green, blacks look black. The colors are true to the director's vision. There's no weird warping or strange color effects that you get with some other projectors. And it looks amazing, not just in a dark setting. In a bright room, the colors will be bright, they'll be vibrant. Your experience, whether it's watching movies, watching sports, or playing a game, is going to look absolutely beautiful. And all of that for about $1,800 bucks.